Today we are making these bows that can be put on hair clips or anything from scraps. So first you need your fabrics. You will cut it into a 6.5-inch strip. And then we will cut it into 8.5 inches. So your block is 8.5 by 6.5 inches. Then we need the center pieces, which is 2 inches by 4 inches. Okay, center pieces are folded in half, lengthwise, finger pressed, folded to the center line that you just put in there on both sides. Finger press both ends and fold in half again. Then you have your little centerpiece. I know my top thread does not match, but you won't see that when I'm done. So on that end, it matches perfectly. And then let's fold in half, fold into quarters. And fold in half again. If you struggle with the folding, you can always press it. I just don't find it necessary anymore. I used to. I just stitched them. It's about 1/8 of an inch away from the edge that I sewed in. I did not mention that. I'm learning. And then the last one. We have 4 center pieces. Then with the main fabric, you fold it about 1/3 of the way. Then you fold it down so it overlaps slightly, about 1/2 inch. Okay, then you take both sides, turn it around. Take the one edge, take all 3 pieces together, fold it in half, and sew. Make sure the edges align. And sew 1/4 of an inch away from the edge. Take it, flip it out, and press it flat like this with the seam in the center. Okay, let's do the rest of them. Quarter of an inch, and stitch. And the last one. Fold it out and press them in the middle with the seam in the middle. Okay, we take our little center pieces, take the main piece, scrunch it in the middle, bring it up and bring it up, and you can stitch it in the middle to secure it. If you need help with holding it, and then stitch as close to the bow as possible. Like that. Cut off the excess. And you have a little bow, and you can put them on multiple things. Scrunch up, up. You can put them on hair clips. You can add them to hair ties. I would suggest doing that in this step and add them in here if you are doing a hair tie. It's not quite center. Just make sure the center tie covers up the seam at the back so it doesn't look messy. Excess. You can also add these to bags or even clothing. I've added them to the shoulders of kids' shirts. It makes it look a lot more elegant than a normal t-shirt. A bit more fancier situation. I'm just adding these to hairpins though, like bobby pins. I'm not sure what the rest of the world calls it, but that's what we call it. And this is the last one. And you have 4 hair bows in under 15 minutes, all from scraps. So maybe make these for a Christmas gift or as an add-on, a stocking or something, or add them to some of your clothes. That's totally up to you. I'm completely new at this and it's my first video tutorial, but if you enjoyed it and want to learn with me, just subscribe to the channel and leave it a like and a comment and let me know what you use them for. Bye.